Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A latte will ordinarily contain 2 shots of espresso, steamed milk, and foam on the top. Additionally, a latte is a great coffee drink to enjoy with a flavor shot like vanilla or hazelnut. Lattes tend to be sweet, but they are not as sweet as mochas. Clearly, there are many different types of coffee.
Let's help you make your mark.
Latte. Whereas a latte has significantly more milk than espresso, a cappuccino has an equal amount of espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. If you want a strong coffee, but with the creaminess of milk, get a cappuccino. 13 October 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Espresso. Solo shot of espresso, 75 milligrams. However, espresso is actually the least caffeinated coffee drink you can order. If you love espresso but really want a big caffeine kick, consider ordering a quadruple shot, which has 300 milligrams of caffeine, which is still less caffeine than a 16 ounces drip coffee. 15 November 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you're a beginner who wants to start drinking coffee, we recommend trying a cappuccino, latte, cafe americano, or mocha first. The best coffees for beginners are the latte, iced latte, cappuccino, cafe americano, mocha. The 1st of February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Strength. Typically, a cafe latte made in a cafe will include either 1 or 2 shots of espresso. There is a limit to how much coffee grounds can be in a coffee bed, so the coffee you buy at a cafe can only be so strong. Also, a cafe latte is made up mostly of steamed milk, so the strength of the espresso is diluted.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.